want y'all to see this shit. Look at this fucked up shit.
When you grab a loaded firearm and it is loaded and you grab the slide so it cannot fire. In this case, he's gonna fire it down, show you it works. Now I'm gonna grab the slide, he's gonna fire it. And right now when you look at it, it is, I'm not injured, there's no pain. And right now when we look at the weapon, the shell is in there, but that shell was not extracted.
First of all, don't ever put your hand in front of a gun that's loaded like that. That's just fucking ridiculous and it's stupid. You can lose your life. Second of all, you preaching to disarm people when the gun is in front of you. So you pretty much saying taking the gun from them and holding it back on your other videos saying it won't go off. When you can clearly see in your own video that fucking bullet went off. It didn't spit the shell out, but that bullet still went flying forward. It's clear, there's nothing in it. Now you're saying put your hand in front of the gun and have it cocked back a little bit so it won't go off like this, I will admit. But what you demonstrated, the fucking bullet went flying. Meaning, it went off. So, again, this is empty. Nothing in it. So, you saying, if the gun is pointed towards you, and you grab it, and it won't go off. I'm going to show you why that theory is wrong. You grabbing the gun like this. And they have their hands on the trigger like this. Hear that? It's going off. My hand is on the trigger. Going off. Now, you will be in front of this trying to disarm somebody. Just like this. Say, I'm here. So what you're doing is making them press that trigger, even if they're not intending to shoot you. But if their hand like this, and then you grab it, they're going to actually shoot you or pull back. Come on, man. Don't be stupid enough to try none of that shit he preaching. If y'all really want training, go get professional training. And not from some 3-minute YouTube video or a minute YouTube video that he put out. Go get professional training and stop doing that bullshit he preaching, because that's fucked up. That shit gonna get people killed trying to do this shit.